What's so important is whether it be big exhibitors, medium-sized exhibitors, or small exhibitors, whether they have equipment or not, the costs of the past were prohibitive. Today, with the changes in Chicago solidified, people like this are happier. They start off the show with less stress, less hassle, and a better experience to start. 80% of our attendees come to the show because they see running machinery. And 75% of our exhibitors say if they have running machinery in their booth, it helps advance a sale. So with costs more contained, it reduces those other expenses. They can bring that equipment, bring more equipment, and that sales experience on the trade show floor here at McCormick Place is even better.
Well, compared now to 4 years ago, we've seen just dramatic changes in the way that exhibitors are treated. First, they're a lot more lenient in the work we're allowed to do in our own booths, such as uncrating, even small electrical work, putting up our own decoration. Before, you had to hire the union people to do it. Now you're at your own freedom to do it. And for us, that frees up a lot more budget for us to bring more equipment in and to really focus on what we're here to do, and that's to sell. Before, we couldn't even use screwdrivers. Now we could bring in our own cordless drills and do the entire uncrating process and crating process by ourselves, real easy and efficient. Now, I come with my own crew and we're on our own schedule. So we get on site, we start uncrating, we organize our crates, then we organize the machines. It's easy. We don't have to depend on everybody else to get our job done. It's on our own schedule.
Another really great company here is MGI, and MGI has uses certainly labor here in Chicago. They need it. They're bringing in big pieces of equipment. So they use the Teamsters, they use the riggers, they use the carpenters. They also are setting up their own displays. Just a couple years ago, you couldn't do that on your own. Now they get to do that on their own. Saves money, although it seems like a very simple thing. Very cost effective, very important for an exhibitor, even like MGI.
Being able to do all our own labor and just being able to use our own staff and do our own things really improves our efficiency and just makes the whole experience just in general much better for us.
Just a few short years ago, you couldn't use ladders at McCormick Place. Now exhibitors are hanging very, very simple things in a safe way and can use ladders to construct their booth. And also, if they need to order labor, and most of them do, they order the labor, which is high quality labor here in Chicago. But the great thing is to have the option to do it yourself. You know your own equipment, you know your own displays, and what a great simple option to have solidified here in Chicago. One of the interesting things about this particular trade show, like machine trade shows or equipment trade shows, is a need for millwrights. And what millwrights are is they're carpenters with special skills that they were required to put their machines together. That frustrated the hell out of our exhibitors, because what would happen was a technician from their own company, let's say flew in from Switzerland to assemble the machinery, they weren't allowed. So basically what they did was they had to be the boss for some labor who didn't know how to set up that kind of equipment. Today, with the new rule changes, millwrights are no longer required. So new to Chicago, based on the legislation and changes, is the new automobile and small utility loading and unloading area. This is fantastic. This gives exhibitors who have hand-carryable and need a dolly to move some things the ability to pull up to one of these two docks and literally move things in themselves, unassisted, no help, no charge. This has been a real hit. So the last 2 days of move-in, we offer this service from 10 to 2, and exhibitors love it. They pack their cars, bring things in themselves, saving them money and helping us, especially that smaller exhibitor.
I think for this Graph Expo, I've been doing trade shows for 27 years. This has been one of the easiest setups I've ever experienced. Part of it is planning on our part, but a lot of it was the cooperation from the people here at McCormick Place. From the riggers to the decorators to the people hanging banners, it's been fantastic. Everybody's been on time, they've been punctual, friendly. It's just been an awesome experience this year.
Oh yeah, God, and it keeps you coming back.
Yeah.
Thank you.